Welcome to the best picks. The best Lip Ivo Balm is probably one of the most hydrating and nourishing lip balms I've ever tried, and in this video, I will be giving you my honest review of this product, including its texture, scent, moisturizing capabilities, and lasting power, and whether it lives up to the hype and is worth adding to your daily skincare routine. Number 5. Cliganic Organic Lip Balm Set. Get ready to experience the ultimate lip care with our organic lip balm set. It's the perfect solution for dry, cracked lips, leaving them soft and healthy. This set offers incredible value with 4 packs of 6 lip balms each. That's 24 tubes in total. Enjoy a variety of delicious flavors to suit your mood. Indulge in 6 delightful flavors: mint burst, citrus, beeswax, eucalyptus mint, vanilla, and coconut. There's a perfect balm for every occasion. Its compact size makes it ideal for travel. Easily slip it into your pocket or purse and keep your lips hydrated on the go. It's USDA organic certified, ensuring the highest quality and integrity. Made with 100% natural ingredients, it's paraben-free, phthalate-free, and petrochemical-free. We're proud to say that it's certified cruelty-free and made right here in the USA. Experience the difference of ethically sourced and high-quality ingredients. While the packaging may have a new look, the quality and effectiveness of the lip balm remain the same. Enjoy the familiar formula you love in a fresh new design. What we like? It's a huge pack with multiple flavors. If you are looking for a cost-effective and organic lip balm that lasts long, this is a great choice. It's perfect for travel and everyday use, offering a variety of flavors to suit your mood. What people say. One application lasts longer than most brands. The lip balms are made with 100% natural ingredients, and it really shows. They go on smooth and feel nourishing, not greasy. My lips have never felt softer or more moisturized, even during dry winter months. Crafted from 100% natural ingredients like beeswax, coconut oil, and sunflower seed oil, these balms effectively hydrate and protect lips without the need for constant reapplication. They're also enriched with vitamin E and free from parabens, phthalates, and petrochemicals, making them a safe choice for daily use. The smooth application and long-lasting moisture have made a noticeable difference in keeping my lips soft and healthy. Number 4. Aquaphor Lip Repair Stick. It's the #1 dermatologist-recommended lip care brand. Experience the clinically proven relief and soothing power for dry, chapped lips. It effectively relieves dryness and soothes chapped, cracked lips. This balm is your solution for comfortable, healthy-looking lips. It's formulated with a special blend of nourishing vitamins, moisturizers, shea butter, and jojoba oil. These ingredients work together to deeply hydrate and protect your lips. It's fragrance-free and paraben-free, making it suitable for even the most sensitive skin. Enjoy long-lasting moisture without any harsh irritants. This pack includes 4 0.17-ounce sticks, providing you with ample supply of lip repair balm. It's perfect for keeping in your bag, car, or anywhere you need it. What we like? This balm is clinically proven to relieve dryness and is recommended by dermatologists. If you have chapped and cracked lips, this is the balm for you. The 4-pack ensures you always have one on hand. What people say. This lip balm is incredibly moisturizing and does an excellent job of keeping my lips soft and hydrated. It has a rich, thick formula that isn't greasy, but it locks in moisture for hours. I don't need to reapply it constantly. The texture is smooth and soothing, gliding easily over my lips without feeling sticky or heavy. It has a non-waxy feel, which I really appreciate. It absorbs quickly and leaves my lips feeling nourished without any residue. It works wonders on cracked or irritated lips, providing immediate relief and helping to heal them faster. Whether I'm dealing with winter dryness or a bit of sunburn, it soothes and repairs quickly. Number 3. ChapStick Classic Lip Balm. This is ChapStick Classic Lip Balm, your everyday solution for soft, hydrated lips. It's the perfect size to keep in your pocket or bag. It keeps your lips feeling moisturized throughout the day. Say goodbye to dry, chapped lips. Its compact size makes it easy to carry with you, wherever you go. Apply it anytime, anywhere. It's a simple, classic formula that's gentle on your lips. You can feel good about using it. This pack contains 3 tubes, ensuring you always have one on hand. It's a great value and keeps you prepared. Keep it in your pocket, purse, or car. It's always there when you need a little lip care. What we like. It keeps your lips hydrated throughout the day. If you need a simple, portable lip balm for everyday use, this is a convenient and reliable option. The 3-pack ensures you always have a spare. What people say. Keeps lips hydrated, portable, and easy to apply. Non-tinted, paraben-free, and long-lasting. I just wanted the original ChapStick classic. No fancy strange flavors. It is hard to find higher count packages at local stores, so I bought them on Amazon. I have been very happy with this product over several years. The flavor is pretty mild, so I think it would work for almost anyone. Number 2. Sky Organics Organic Lip Balms. Experience the luxury of our organic lip balms, bursting with natural flavors and nourishing ingredients. They're perfect for keeping your lips soft and smooth all day long. Indulge in a variety of 6 unique flavors: Tahitian vanilla, wild cherry, eucalyptus mint, tropical coconut, ripe strawberry, and fresh citrus. There's a perfect flavor for every mood. These balms are crafted with organic botanical oils, beeswax, and vitamin E to deeply nourish and moisturize your lips. It creates a protective barrier to lock in moisture. Made with USDA-certified organic ingredients and never tested on animals, it's a guilt-free treat for your lips. Safe for all skin types. Simply glide it onto your lips as needed for soft, moisturized lips. Remember to recycle the box when you're finished. Our lip balms are formulated with minimal ingredients to complement your clean beauty routine. They're a self-care essential for everyone. What we like. Made with organic ingredients and beeswax, it moisturizes and softens your lips. If you prefer organic and natural products with a variety of flavors to choose from, then this is for you. It's a great way to treat your lips naturally. What people say. The blend of organic beeswax, botanical oils, and vitamin E is a dream. My lips feel soft and smooth for hours, even in dry winter air. It's got the perfect amount of slip and is moisturizing without being goopy or sticky. It adds a soft look but isn't shiny. Easily the best lip balms I've ever tried in my life. They're tasty, organic, natural, they smell good, and they work really well in moisturizing your lips. Number 1. NIVEA Moisture Lip Care. It provides deep hydration for your lips, keeping them moisturized and protected from dryness throughout the day. Experience long-lasting moisture with every application. It is enriched with shea butter, nourishing oils, and vitamins C and E. These ingredients work together to moisturize, repair, and nourish even the driest lips. This lip balm promotes healthy-looking lips, leaving them soft, smooth, and irresistibly touchable. See and feel the difference. It's made with 99.5% naturally derived ingredients and is formulated without preservatives, phthalates, silicones, and dyes. Gentle on even the most sensitive lips. It has been dermatologically tested for skin compatibility, ensuring it's safe and gentle for daily use. You can trust its quality and effectiveness. This pack includes 4 0.17-ounce sticks, perfect for sharing with friends and family or for keeping on hand. Always have one nearby. What we like. It deeply hydrates and nourishes your lips with shea butter and vitamins. If you are looking for a deeply hydrating and nourishing lip balm, this is a great option. The 4-pack is perfect for sharing or keeping several on hand. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.